I would like to thank the brand for sending me this brace to try and make this video. So I'm really impressed with this little pillow here that rests in your palm, and I measured my hand so I can pick the correct size. I also liked this design over here. This is quite a good opening so it doesn't cramp your fingers, and I'll show you what I mean. So once I put it, and I put it snugly around my hand and arm. Over here, there is this space over here which is low enough so this little finger is not cramped the whole time. And I find this design much better and more comfortable for me. It also comes with a little resistance band so you can exercise. It's a really nice little extra. There are instructions, and of course you measure your hand and you pick the right size for you. Very happy.